Okay, look at this. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. So you take this as AB as the vertical pole. Let AB is equal to height of the vertical pole. Height of vertical pole. So we need to find out that one. And this AC is the length of the rope. So length of a rope which is tied to the top of this pole and also on the earth at a distance BC. Okay, so now it is tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole, and the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degree. So this angle is given 30 degree. So you need to find only the length AB, height of the pole. Already we have this length of the rope, so that is 20 meter. So you can use the trigonometric ratios here in triangle ACB. So apply the trigonometric ratio related to this side and this angle. To this angle, this is opposite side and this is an hypotenuse. So sine 30 degree. Opposite side here AB, hypotenuse here AC. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So AB length we need to calculate. AC here 20 meter. So cross multiply here, 2 times AB is equal to 20. So therefore AB is equal to 10 meters. So that means height of the pole. So height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. So this is the solution. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So you can draw a rough diagram. Look at this first. A tree breaks down due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. So you can see, imagine that here is a tree. So here is a tree. This is a tree. Observe that due to storm it breaks at some place. So you can imagine that this is a place where it breaks and touches the ground. Okay. So this is the horizontal line. This is the hard surface. Now this is a tree. You can call this as AB is the height of the tree. And this is C is the position where it breaks. And this point D is the position where it touches the earth. And the angle between this is given 30 degree. So it makes an angle of 30 degree that is given. So that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. See, that means this top of the tree touches the ground. Sorry, not this one. Making an angle of 30 degree with it. Top of the tree. See, top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. So this top making an angle of 30 degrees. So now the distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So this is the foot of the tree and the top where is touching the ground is, that distance is given, that is 8 meter. Okay. So now find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. You need to find the height AB. We can take this as H. H is the height of the tree. So this is the length where it breaks. So this total length BC plus CD must be equal to height of the tree. So you can draw the diagram, a line diagram enough for this. So you can write like this also. So this is AB and this is horizontal line. This is the position where it breaks. So when it breaks, this touches this. Okay. So you can call this as A. Touches the position where it is D and making an angle 30 degree. So now you can find out this is 8 meter. Use this right angle triangle. We need to find out this and this, both the lengths. You need to find out BC as well as CD. We have 30 degree and 8 meter. Apply trigonometric ratios. So here, let us write the details related to this diagram. Let AB is equal to, let AB is equal to height of the tree. So that is H units. And BD is equal to distance between the foot of tree and the top where it touches the ground. The top where it touches the ground. So now let us see, and C is the point where it breaks. So in triangle BCD, use this trigonometry ratio. BC I want opposite side and adjacent side tan 30. Opposite side here BC by BD. Tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. So BC length we need to calculate. BD it is given, it is 8. So therefore BD is equal to 8 by root 3 meters. So this is the length of BD. Similarly, you can find out tan 30 over this we got BD length we got, sorry, BDL. We got BC. This is BC. So we got this one 8 by root 3. Similarly, you find out the CD. So that can be found out using this one adjacent by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse. So we can write cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side here BD by hypotenuse here CD. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30. Adjacent side by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. So BD length it is 8 meters divided by CD. So we need to find out CD. So cross multiply it, root 3 times CD is equal to 8 into 2. CD is equal to 16 by root 3. So this is the length of CD. It is in meters. We want to know the height of the tree AB. It must be equal to sum of these two, A, BC plus CD. AB is equal to height of tree. AB, it is equal to BC plus CD. So BC length we calculated 8 by root 3 and CD length we calculated 16 by root 3. So take the LCM, root 3 is LCM, 8 plus 16, AB. So therefore AB is equal to 24 by root 3 meters. You can rationalize this one. You can rationalize this one. You will get AB is equal to, how much you will get? 24 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So 24 root 3 by 3. 8 root 3. So it is equal to same as 8 root 3 meters. That is the solution. If you rationalize 24 by root 3, so 24 by root 3 to root 3 by root 3, so root 3 to root 3 gives you 3, cancel this one, 8 root 3. This is how you are going to get